Bonjour à tous, or as we like to say in English, hello everyone. My name is Lauren Gibson, and I'm a communication strategist. I also host and produce an online travel show, and I'm your location scouting guide. Now today we're going to talk about another one of the reasons why you should shoot on location. Keep watching. One of the reasons you should shoot on location is to build credibility and to show authenticity. So what do I mean by that? Well, first, I want to highlight those studies that show that people buy from and engage with those they know, they like, and they trust. And the reason that people can know, like, and trust you is because of your authenticity and because of your credibility. So what does this mean for on-location shoots? Well, perhaps you want to do an on-location shoot at your factory or at your home or wherever you're doing your business. You just show your business operations, a behind-the-scenes view of your product creation process, or even interesting information about your personal life as appropriate. You can really use those behind-the-scenes views as kind of opportunities to show who you are, what you're all about, and why your customers and your audience members should care about you. You really want them to know who you are, to know your authentic self. And as they know you, they like you, they trust you, then hopefully they'll actually become brand ambassadors who are willing to speak on your behalf, who are willing to talk to their family members and their friends about you, about your brand, about your product. So make sure that you consider on-location shoots when you're thinking about how you connect and engage with your customers. It's a great, great tactic. Now, that's just another one of my reasons for why you should shoot on location. But there are lots more, and I'm going to share them in my blog. So check out the link to my blog below. I have 7 reasons that you may want to consider. Thanks you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and as always, I hope to see you soon. Bye!